Orukore byokuteza obururu omu kibiina kya NRM Dr. Tango Doi okushaba Abarikwenda kwesimba entebe ey'obwa Sipiika okurugayo bakeyandikisa n'obuyaba nabugana abanyamakuru aha kitebe kikuru kya NRM Electoral Commission ekiri aha ploti 13 kya Dondo muri Kampala.
All eligible members are invited to express their interest to contest for the position of Speaker and Deputy Speaker of Parliament beginning today up to 7 p.m. And this expression of interest will continue up to 23rd May, that's tomorrow Saturday at 3 p.m.
Dr. Tango Doi yashoze engenderwaho hari ogowena orabe nayenda kwesimba mu myanya egi.
They should be Ugandan. They should avoid the following. They should avoid the following illegal practices: campaigning or canvassing for votes. SEC has with immediate effect stopped any person who wants to be a speaker or deputy speaker from campaigning. Whatever kind of campaign, if you are good campaigning and there's the videos or recordings to your campaign, you will be disqualified. No campaigning to be a speaker. Number 2, bribery is forbidden. No paying people. No paying anyone any money. Even here, expression of interest, we have no money to pay.
Oguyashobora ngo baza kuhayo amazina gawo bona abararijeyo no kwenda emyanya eri mu kakiiko ak'ekibiina agarashitame biro 24 byo kwezi oku okubasa kutora n'oguwena obarasharemu.
The names that shall have qualified or who have expressed interest will then be compiled and presented to SEC on Sunday, the 24th at 9 a.m. The names SEC will vet and approve will be sent to the caucus, which will sit on Sunday, the 24th at 2 p.m. at State House, Entebe. So anyone who wants to express interest has now the right to come and express that interest.
Ogu kandi yashoborra ngo abanyishenjero abatorinwa kuzo mu ishenjero eri 12 nibo bonka barayejumbere omukaruraka.
For Speaker of the 12th Parliament, as well as Deputy Speaker of 12th Parliament, one must be a member of NRM, a flag bearer voted as NRM in the 12th Parliament. Honorable Mao is the President General of DP. He does not belong to NRM. So even by the regulation I've read, that voters like candidates must be members of NRM. He does not qualify.